Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Salesforce. So, if you run a business or you just want to try a software that you can use for managing your customer database and your leads, inquiries, and everything. So, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Salesforce. First, you have to go to the browser, search for Salesforce, and after that, you will get this first link. You have to go with that, and you will land onto the website of Salesforce. Once you get there, if you would like to explore the website, you can explore it, get to know more about its features, what services it offers, and how you can use it for your work or your business. Once you have explored it, then the first option is the login. If you don't have an account, then simply sign up using your email address. If so, then you can also go for the login if you have an account. And after that, you will land onto this home page. This page is also known as the dashboard, where you will have the access of all the pages that is listed on the left side. So whatever work or data information you have onto these pages, everything you will see in the form of graphs or just numbers or stats, so you will get to know about your work. So first we have this option for the contacts, where you will add all the contacts like the queries you get, or maybe you have to answer to anything. You will find everything up there. And after that, we have this page where you will be able to see the accounts. The accounts are the people you are in contact with, like your customers. So you create their account, and then you will see all the stats up there. If you want to create something new, you can click onto it, and after that you will be able to do it as well. And then we have this option sales, where if you have generated any sales, you will find all the graphs, information, stats, everything about it there. And after the sales, we further have different options. You have to simply click onto any option, then you will get into it, and based on what selection you have done, you will get the data that is included into it. So we have the service, marketing, whatever work you have done into these figures, you will find information into it, like the marketing you have done for it, what budget you have spent on, what stats you have got from the results, and everything. If you want to see everything in just one page, then home page is that, where you will have the information of all of your work at one page. So this is a quick review of how you can use the Salesforce for managing your customer database. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.